Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to Sherilyn Foodie Cheddar. Today's recipe will be stuffed zucchini. These zucchinis are from my garden, and obviously I have a lot of zucchini plants since I made few recipe about zucchini already. I did the zucchini flowers and I did the zucchini fritters, and today we'll be doing stuffed zucchini. So let's go start cooking. We will be baking our stuffed zucchinis. So before we start processing the zucchinis, we are going to preset our oven into 350. So we are going to spray our baking dish with a cooking spray. So for this recipe, we are going to use 3 fresh zucchinis. At least 2 are large and 1 medium size. We're also going to need half a white onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, and a few mushrooms chopped. You can totally skip mushrooms if you don't have any mushrooms. We are also be needing fresh oregano and fresh basil. We're going to chop this. We have half a pound of ground beef, 1/4 cup parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of cheddar cheese, and 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, and of course salt and pepper for seasoning. We're also going to need 1/2 cup of pasta sauce. So we are going to cut the zucchini in half and then spoon out the inside of the zucchini. Just spoon the inner part of the zucchini, spoon it out, just like that. We don't want to throw this because we are making it with the meat. We're mixing it with the meat. So So we are going to finely chop this and add it with our ground beef. So in a preheated pan, we are going to put a little bit of oil, or at least around a tablespoon of oil. So we are putting our chopped onion first. Zucchini. inside of the zucchini. And let's go ahead and add our Parmesan cheese, our pasta sauce, and we'll season it with salt and pepper. Freshly chopped herbs, the basil and oregano. Cook this for at least just 2 minutes, and then we can spoon it in our zucchini. We are going to put our zucchini both in our baking dish. After 30 minutes, we take our stuffed zucchini out, and we are going to change our setting into broil. We have to put it on high setting. Okay, we broiled it for 3 minutes, and this is how it comes out. This is all ready and it's good to be served now. So let's put it in a plate. Looks so yummy. Let's try it. That's good. The veggies is still a crunch on it, and all the flavors is there. That's what I like with the vegetable, is not overcooked. Oh, yummy. Very good. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it and try this recipe. It's very good. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and put a comment down below and tell me your feedback or your thoughts about this recipe, and hope to see you again on my next video. Take care.